Welcome to my sewing channel. Today is Friday, which means I'm just going to kind of go over a recap of like things that I sewed this week, or in other words, hashtag Friday sews. I did get a lot of stuff done. Taxes for one, that was a win for me. I'm also going to show you, I got another shirt finished from this Simplicity pattern 8856, and so I will be trying on that shirt. Okay, so earlier on Wednesday I posted a tutorial, just an easy, fast, quick way on how to add elastic to a skirt or shorts or whatever you want. So today that is what I'm wearing. It's actually a two-piece dress. So I've got, this is my shirt that I made out of my favorite Simplicity pattern. And then I just made up my own skirt. And so this is the waistband, and I just tied a fake string right there to make it look like it's a drawstring elastic. What I like about making two pieces like this is because it does seem more casual. There's a better picture of it right there, but then I can wear it separately. This one would be really cute with some white jeans, or just like some blue jeans, and then the skirt can also go with a lot of other shirts. And then in an upcoming video here in the next 2 weeks, I'm going to put out another tutorial on how easy it is to attach pockets. So this has pockets. I love pockets. I feel like pockets are a must-have to hold your snacks. Although I have not been snacking for about like 2 weeks now. I've quit with the snacks. I'm feeling better. I feel like I've lost a couple of pounds, so another win for me this week. Okay, so now let's talk about this. I did make this before. There's a picture right there. And I remember when I tried it on at first, it was baggy. I didn't really like it. It's actually become one of my favorite shirts or pieces of clothing that I have worn. I get like a lot of compliments on it every time I wear it, so I decided to make it again. Okay, so I'll just show you right here what it looks like. So here it is. And there's a picture of it for you, and I will try it on in a minute. Okay, so I did the short sleeve length. Now the only thing that I did differently on this one, well, it is cut a little bit shorter, but I eliminated the weird long cut right there. Okay, and so I just cut that straight and then did the gathers just all along the middle. And then it doesn't have the pockets because I cut it shorter, but I'm really missing the pockets. And I didn't have enough fabric to make it longer because I really wanted to make it into a dress. But now I know for next time I do still want to make this into a dress. But a couple things, and then on this one, you know, I used my rolled hem foot, and so it just gives it a really nice finish. And then the back is really easy too. I didn't finish doing my button, but I need to attach my button right here, but I wore it out, and I have long hair, so no one could see it. And then I did my little rubber band. Those are hair ties that I use. And so this is what the back of it looks like. And then the front. Oh, and I did put a facing in it, but this fabric is pretty thick. It's not like the rayon that I used on the other one. I could have done without, but it still ended up really nice. I'm glad that I took the time to put that facing in it. So let me go and try it on for you guys. Okay, so here it is, and it is so pretty out here, you guys. I think that it is just the perfect amount of ruffles. I feel like the neckline lays really nice. I kind of think the sleeves are too boxy. I keep wanting to unpick them and do like a ruffle, but I know that that is part of the look, is the boxy sleeve, kind of making it look like kind of artsy, but it is called the Artisan dress. Okay, it is so nice out here today. I think I'm just going to pull up a chair. I'm gonna work on unpicking this, and then next Friday, I will show you what this is all about. And don't forget to come back on Wednesday to check out my Mother's Day little gift idea. And I wanna thank you for watching, and until next time, happy sewing.